Well, welcome back to the channel. Another day in the life of a Ford owner. I had a service call to do today, and I ended up taking my wife's car because this guy doesn't want to start today. So here we go again. I got rescue on the way. Loli's off-road. He'll be here shortly, so he's gonna bring a scanner. I'll plug it in and see what's going on, because it's got oil pressure, it's got fuel pressure, it's got fuel. So yeah, we'll see what's going on with this bad boy. Something's not happy. Well, here we go. Doctor's in the office.
Yeah.
Let's see what the scanner's got to say. What's the verdict, doctor?
The verdict is you need a camshaft positioning sensor.
That's not so bad news.
Yeah.
I mean, that's the better news it could be.
And on the electronic side, the transfer case 4-wheel drive solenoid circuit fault.
Oh, it was working fine.
But might work fine, but there is a problem there.
Yeah.
So that's why that code comes up. I deleted it and came right back.
So it probably needs a solenoid?
Yeah. So there you guys have it. That's why when I tell people diesel is different than gas, you know. That's why many shops, they don't work on diesels. You call them and they say, no, we don't work on diesel. That's why there is specialized shops that they only work on diesel, because it's a two different animal, you know. And the diesel guys usually don't work on gas engines.
Yeah.
You know.
Well, with the help of this magnificent scanner.
Yeah, it's not bad. It's not really sophisticated or expensive. It's only like $1,200, but it does anything you need. It can even control your modules for the windows up and down, lock, unlock, all that kind of stuff. Can see everything.
It's a great tool to have. Do you think this Edge tuner scanner would have been able to pick that up? Because it does have...
Yeah, you can read it with
I
that.
didn't even try.
Yeah, you could.
All right.
It will show you.
En route to Ford to support the company. Gotta get a camshaft sensor and a plug, because the plug looks pretty bad. Whee! All right, back in business. So I changed that pigtail on the cam positioning sensor, and I changed the sensor as well. Yeah, now she's back up and running. Seems to be everything's great. Now my gauges actually come up proper too. I don't know what that's all about. I did some tinkering with some stuff. But there we go, guys. Give us a like and subscribe if you enjoy the content. Yeah, thanks a lot for watching. Catch you on the next one.